stunning waterfalls on either side of 278, but have you seen what's behind them? We're on location here at Hilton Head Lakes. It's the area's most affordable community offering world-class amenities. Matt Peebles, who's the director of sales, has more. Matt, it seems like it was just yesterday when we were standing outside the brand new Lake Club and just talking about the construction and how that was completed, and looking forward to the additional amenities that were going to be constructed here. And now we're standing on the pool deck, which is again outside of the Lake Club. Let's talk about this brand new, lovely amenity here at Hilton Head Lakes.
Well, the spring is here, and sales are going great, and no better time to open up one of our first pools here. This is the Infinity Edge pool behind us that overlooks the beach and the private lake system. And we're very excited to have this additional amenity involved here at Hilton Head Lakes now, and looking forward to people coming by and taking a look at it.
And again, it's one of two pools that are going to be here at the Lake Club. And it's just so exciting because, again, you're just clicking right along with all of these things that were in the works, in the plans, and here now we see it all come to fruition, and it's awesome. And your homeowners and your sales are really showing that people are appreciating the fact that you're just moving at the pace that you are.
Absolutely, and there's no fear now that we're not going to build our amenities, and the developers built the clubhouse, fitness center, and the pool's way ahead of schedule when we would normally do it. But that was a sign of good faith on their part, and it's helped us tremendously with sales. And all our property owners now have a great place to come and go to an event or hang out at the pool, and they're really taking advantage of it.
And speaking of just being able to take advantage of everything here, you can do so at the lowest monthly fees, I think, anywhere in the area. As far as dues go, this is the most affordable community, and that is key. We touched on that a little bit the last time we spoke, but we've got to talk about that more. That is just amazing.
Yeah, it's luckily for us being a new community down here, we had a chance to a little bit adjust our business model to the market, and because the market has changed, and people are they don't want to pay the high dues of some of the private country clubs. So our golf course is great, but we're going to run it as a public golf course, although property owners get preferred tee times and rates. And the clubhouse is nice as it is, and it's set up to cater food, but we didn't put a restaurant in the clubhouse because there's 300 great restaurants in this area, and we didn't want to force people to come to a place to have dinner and drive their dues up. So there's a method to what we're doing, and it's been very well received, and right now we can run the entire community for $100 a month.
It's just amazing. So even more reason to come out and check out all the great things here at Hilton Head Lakes. New property release for some lakefront lots. Let's talk about that. This is brand new.
Yes, we've got, we're getting close to selling out phase one, which is fantastic, and we are opening a new section of waterfront properties April the 26th through the 28th. And that's really when we're going to do the official grand opening of the clubhouse, the ribbon cutting with the city and the county officials. Yeah, make it official. And we're really excited about that. We have a lot of people coming down to take a look that weekend. We'll have special incentives as well for that opening. And that's April 26th through 28th again, and love for people to come by and come see us if they can.
So you definitely want to take advantage of those new property offerings that are out there. In addition, there are some incentives that are still on the table.
That's correct, Debbie. We have our own building company, Citizens Homes. They're a regional building company, and that's not to say you can use any builder you wish, right. But we have a model park that's open, and people can walk through the models. And what we do now, and for the spring, is if somebody comes down and they purchase a home site from us, and these are folks that still have a home to sell up north, and we put them in a position to lock the price of the new home in for 6 months, and that gives them a very good understanding of what the end cost will be for their home, and then they can go home and look at their business plan and adjust the house price that they have accordingly, because they'll know what they can build the new home for. And as far as I know, we're the only builder that's willing to do that.
And that's applicable for folks that are here in the area with a home that needs to be sold here as well.
Absolutely. I just sold a house or a home site to a fellow in Bluffton and put his home on the market, got a contract on it, and he's getting ready to go, and we went ahead and locked the price in for him, and it worked out perfect.
So whether you're here, whether you're visiting our area and you do have a home to sell elsewhere, you've got to get behind those beautiful waterfalls that you see on 278. Come talk to Matt and the team here at Hilton Head Lakes. Make sure you check it out before you make that final decision, because again, it is the area's most affordable community, offering world-class amenities, just so much here to offer, and a great lifestyle in our area. Matt, as always, thank you.
Thank you, Debbie. I appreciate it.
We'll see you next time here on Location.